everybody, my name is Nicolas, I'm from Argentina and this is the CS50 project for SQL. This project is the portfolio tracker database, which consists of tracking, analyzing and summarizing portfolios for users, assets and time. Well, going to the scope of this project, it tracks purchases, sales and dividends. It has different views like current asset, historical prices, different stats like profits, average prices, allocation, and it's very useful for individual investors, brokers and fintech platforms. Going to the schema, we have the users table, which are all the investors, the assets table, which are all the assets like cryptos, stocks or maybe ETFs. The cash movements are the deposits and withdrawal of the users. The transactions consist of the history of different sales and purchases of assets. Then there are some dividends which stores the info for those payments, and the market prices, which should be historical data because it doesn't include real-time data. Going to VS Code, there are some commands which could be useful to see for the project. One is the transaction history of a user. There could be some portfolio view for a user, which has all the stocks of a user. Then I could make a transaction like buying some stock of Apple, for example. Well, given the transaction, I should see that I have bought an Apple stock. On the schema, there are some important triggers which prevent users to modify certain important and historical data. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and this is all my data if you want to contact me. Thank you very much.